Okay, students, let's solve the first question together. What is the answer? 18? Okay, so negative 2 cube, negative 2 cube, negative cube, negative cube. Is it negative or positive? Negative. And then 4 times 2 cube. What is 2 cube? What is 2 cube?
8.
8. Therefore, 3 minus 4 times 8, which is 3 plus 32. So therefore 35. So let's evaluate this one. So many of you don't know how to do it yet. Guys, a to the power of m to the power of n. What is the laws of indices in this case?
N.
A to the power of mn. So you need to, and also b to the power of n. How can you? A to the power of n times b to the power of n, so that you can distribute this index to each term. So 2 to the power of 4 times x cubed to the power of 4. Do you understand? Therefore, students, what's the answer? 16 x to the power of 12. Thank you. To b, x to the power of 11. C, x to the power of 9. Thank you. Please expand this one. So, as you remember, a plus b square can be expanded as a square plus 2ab plus b square. Therefore, please expand this one. 4x square plus 12x plus 9. Thank you. If you factorize this quadratic expression, it's going to be x plus 1 times x plus 4 equals 0. Therefore, x plus 1 equals 0 or x plus 4 equals 0. Therefore, either x equals negative 1 or x equals negative 4 is the answer of this question. Let's move to the next page, student. Okay, so as I told you, the binomial theorem, it's about how to expand bracket involved in 2 terms. Understand? Involved in 2 terms. So for example, a plus b to the power of 0 is just 1. You know that. And a plus 1 to the power of 1 is just a plus b. A plus b square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. And then a plus b cube equals, please read it out loud. Just read it. A cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. And then a plus b to the power of 4 is a to the power of 4. And then 4 times a cubed plus a cubed times b. And then 6a square b square. And then 4ab cubed. And then b to the power of 4. I just wonder if you can read the tendency of the index here. Can you read the tendency? Students? So for A, it's descending order, 2, 1, and 0. Do you understand? For A, it's a descending order, a cubed, a square, and then 1a, and it's going to be 1. It means that a to the power of 0. Right? This one, a to the power of 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. When it comes to B, it's ascending order, So B to the power of 0, B to the power of 1, and then B square. B to the power of 0 and B to the power of 1, B square and B cube. B to the power of 0, B to the power of 1, B square, B cube, and B to the power of 4. Can you see that? So we can imagine that even though we don't know coefficient means the number which multiplied in front of the letters, okay? So a plus b to the power of 5, then it starts from a to the power of 5 plus, we don't know the number, but the letter should be a to the power of 4, and then b plus, thank you. Then a to the power of 3, b 2 plus a 2b3 plus ab4 plus b to the power of 5. Can you see that? Students, can you see that? And then also there is one more thing that you need to observe, which is if you add this index, if you add this index, what's this? Always 2 here, right? If you add this index, 3 plus 0 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. And then here, 3. Do you understand? This one as well, 5. 4 plus 1, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. 2 plus 3, 5. 1 plus 4, 5. And 5. Okay, please observe this pattern first. And then before I'm telling you about the binomial theorem, I'm going to explain the Pascal triangle. Which tells us how to find out the coefficients of these expansion. So firstly, the number here is just only 1, right? And then here, guys, please read only number multiplied in front of letter, okay? So in front of A, what's the number? There's no number, right? It means that 1, thank you, 1. And here, B as well. What's the number? 1. Here, guys, what's the number here? 1. What's the number? 2. What's the number? 1. The number here, please read it. 1, 3, 3, and 1. And then the next one. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. We call this triangle as Pascal's triangle. What did I say? Pascal's triangle. If you observe this triangle, can you see the pattern or not?
Yeah.
1, 1, 1, 1. Can you see this 1, 1, 1, 1, right? And then 2. Can you see how we can find 2?
1, 1.
Yes, very good. You add up these two numbers to make 2, right? How to make 3? If you add these two numbers to make 3. Do you understand?
Oh.
And then here, add them up. Add them up, make it 4. Add them up, make it 6. Add them up, make it 4. Do you understand? Then, students, by using this Pascal's triangle, you can find out the coefficient of next line. Please tell me. 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, and 1. So by using this one, let's write down if there is a plus 5, b to the power of 5. As I told you, it starts from a to the power of 5 plus something, a 4b plus something, a 3b squared plus something, please tell me, a, what's the index here? Square b cube plus something, a, b 4 plus b to the power of 5. Then peacefully, you can distribute this each coefficient to each terms, which is 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, and 1. Do you understand? Okay, so by using this Pascal's triangle, you can find the coefficient of binomial expansion easily. If the n is low, if this number is low enough. But however, if I ask you to expand a plus b to the power of 100, then you can draw this line like 100 lines, right? In this case, it's not feasible to apply it to students. Do you understand? Okay. And then Ethan, please read key point 9.1. NCR.
CR, but and CR can also be written as.
Okay, so binomial, I am going to explain what it means, guys. So let's imagine a plus b to the power of n, okay? N. in this case, where we start is a to the power of n plus a to the power of n minus 1, and then b. Thank you. A is descending. The index of b is ascending, okay? It's increasing. So a to the next term should be a to the power of n minus 2. Thank you. And then b,
One.
2, because b1 is here. b2 plus dot, 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 plus at some point it's going to be a square b to the power of n minus b to the power of n minus 2, because as I told you, students, if you add up this index, it's going to be
Zero.
n here, n. If you add this index, it's going to be n. So the next step, the next term is a b to the power of n minus 1, and then there is some coefficient plus b to the power of n. It should be in the form of this one. And then, students, this number, we call it as coefficient. The coefficient is denoted by n combination r. We call it as combination. Or denoted by bracket n and r. Okay, n and r. So this one, there are n brackets. And how many b we chose from here? 0. So n 0 is the coefficient of this one. The first coefficient is n. How many b we chose?
One.
1. Understand? How about this one? N 2. How about this one, students? N minus 2. Yes. This one n minus 1. This one n. Okay.
Wait, NCR.
Yeah, NCR. So when we write down NCR, n is the index, n is the bracket number. So it means that there are n brackets, right? N brackets. R means the index of B. How many B you chose? Please remember these two.
Bracket.
N.
Index. Index.
I am going to give you 2 minutes to get familiar with this theorem. Okay, students, as you can see from the screen, the binomial expansion formula is given. So you don't have to remember this one, but you need to get used to it, okay? You don't have to remember this formula, but you need to get used to it.
Get used to it, so it's like year 14, we gotta remember.
No, you don't have to remember. This formula is be shared when you're year 13 as well.
Also, it's like it's already there.
Mm.
There's something you don't really need to remember.
Mm. But just read it and get familiar.
Just get rid of
Okay, students, I'm going to give you 2 minutes to try to solve example 9.1 by yourself first.
About this.
좀.
All right, we'll knock this over real quick. We've got a Casio. We're going to do factorials, permutations, and combinations. So the way to do it, it's always this option button here, option, and then click across
Sorry, I should have shared the screen. Can you see
until you
this
see
one?
probability and combinations. So the way to do it, it's always this option button here, option,
Okay, students, please take out your calculator. Then find the button option.
and then click across until you see probability
Can you see probability tab here? Okay.
here, F3. And
And
then
then you can see X factorial, the exclamation mark, and NPR, NCR. Can you see that? Please answer me.
Yes.
Okay.
these are our three options here. So if we want 9 factorial, it is
So by using this function, you can calculate the NCR, the binomial coefficient. Go back.
our three options. Option, and then click
So option and move to the next page.
across until you
And then
see
you can see probability
the probability here, F3. And then these are our three options here. So if we want 9 factorial,
Do you understand? Okay.
Can you go back?
Which one? Eden, can you help him, please? Okay, students, let's expand and simplify this bracket together. So basically 2 plus x to the power of 4. So a plus, sorry, power of 4 here. A plus b to the power of 4. Well, I personally remember just that until a plus b to the power of 5, actually. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, okay? By using the Pascal triangle. You understand? So it's going to be a to the power of 4 plus a cubed b plus a squared b squared plus ab cubed plus b to the power of 4. And then, so firstly, I want you to write down coefficient first. 1, 4, 6, 4, and 1. Do you understand? And then substitute 2 to a, so 2 to the power of 4 this case, right? Times, and instead of a, 2 cubed times, instead of b, write down x. And then 2 square, x square, 2 x cubed, x to the power of 4 Therefore, if you expand them, it's going to be 16 plus, what's the number after you calculate this one? 32x plus, let me, 24x squared plus 8x cubed plus x to the power of 4 is the answer of this question. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, let's practice example 9.2 together. So expand and simplify. So cube. So if I were you, I'm going to write down a plus b cubed first. Firstly, 1, 3, and 1. Remember this coefficient by using Pascal triangle. And then a cubed, a squared b, ab squared, and then b cubed. Do you understand? Then since the binomial expansion you need to do is 3x minus 5 cubed, which you can write it as 3x plus negative 5 cubed. Do you understand? So you need to substitute 3x to a. You need to consider negative 5 as b. Do you understand? Are you with me? Thank you. Equals then 3x. Do not forget to write down bracket cube. Otherwise, you're going to make mistake. And then 3, instead of a, write down 3x squared. Instead of b, write down negative 5 plus 3. Instead of a, 3x. Instead of b, negative 5 plus negative 5 cubed. Then calculate it. 3x cubed means 3 cubed x cubed. Thank you. 27x cubed plus. Okay, it may need more. 3 times 9x squared times negative 5. Students, let's multiply out number together fast. 3 times 9 times negative 5. What is it? Negative 135. X squared plus, and then 3 times x times, what is negative 5 squared, guys? 25. Please use your calculator. So it's going to be 225x and then minus 125 is the answer of this question. Okay, and then hence question number B, 3x to the power of 5 negative 5 cubed. So instead of x, you can simply swap x to the power of 4. Okay, instead of x, write down x to the power of 4. Therefore, 27, instead of x, write down x to the power of 4, and then cube here. Minus 135, instead of x, you should write down x to the power of 4, and then square. Plus 225, instead of x, write down x to the power of 4, and then minus 125. Therefore, 27x to the power of, what is the power? 12 minus 135, and then students, x. Thank you. Then 225x to the power of 4 minus 125. Okay.
Oh, it's minus 100.
Before solving example 9.3, I want you to write down one thing here, students. Please go to key point 9.1. 9.1. You're going to learn this property later, but it's going to be useful if you learn this one now. So n combination R is actually same as n combination n minus R. So n R is the same as n and n minus R. Please write it down fast. I'm going to show it to you. Okay, students. So for example, NCR equals NC n minus R. What it means, if the number here, if you add them up to become n, do you understand? If you add them up and become n, these two values are the same. So for example, 4C1 is equal to 4C, what's the number here? 3. Very good, Hayden. Thank you. 5C2. What's this number here? 3. Do you understand? 7C3 is equal to 7C4. By using your calculator, please find these two values and check whether they are really the same or not. By using your calculator, please check whether they are really the same or not.
Give me a moment.
Yes. What's the value, Hayden? 28? 35? Thank you. How about 7C4? 35. Yeah, they are the same. Can you see that? So the reason that I told you about this is because if I write down binomial expansion again, a plus b to the power of n, and then n0 a to the power of n plus n1 a to the power of n minus 1 and b plus n2 a to the power of n minus 2 and then b square plus dot dot dot. Angles, please look at the screen. N minus 2 a to the power of square b to the power of n minus 2 plus n minus 1 a b to the power of n minus 1 plus n b to the power of n. However, you can also write it down as n a to the power of n because the value of these two, they are the same. Do you understand? n minus 1. You can write it down in this way because the value of those two are the same. Do you understand? n minus 2 here, a squared, a n minus 2b squared, dot 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 plus n2 a squared bn minus 2 plus n1 ab n minus 1 plus n0 b to the power of 0. The reason that I told you that they are the same, it's because the first one is the number here is matched with the index of b, right? Are you with me, students? But the second line, I wanted to match this number to the index of A. Match this number to the index of A. Do you understand? Okay? Okay, students, then I want you to write down, okay, I'm going to show you how to expand A plus B to the power of 4 by using binomial expansion. Firstly, 4, 0, A to the power of 4 plus 4 and 1, please tell me, A cube B plus 4n 2a square b square 4 3a and b cube plus 4 b cube. You can match this number with index of b. However, also it's the same if you want to match this number as index of a as well. Do you understand? Plus, please tell me the next one. 4 3, then a cube and b plus 4 2 a square b square plus 4 1, thank you, a b cube plus 4 0 b to the power of 4. Wait a sec, students, I'm going to give you some time to write down a plus b to the power of 5, okay? Please write down in this binomial coefficient form. Do not, wait for a sec, do not calculate this coefficient. Just write down by using bracket. Do you understand? Please expand them. Yes. Lesson starts. Okay, so find the coefficient of x of 5. Students, that's why, because of this type of question, I introduce you another type of binomial expansion. So let me tell you, x plus 2 to the power of 8. Are you ready? So let's match this number to power of x. Understand? So I'm going to start from 8 and then
5.
the start one, 8. X to the power of 8 plus. And then what's the next one? 8, 7, then x to the power of 7, and then 2, 1. Understand? Because instead of b, there is 2. Students, please tell me if you understood or not. Okay? Plus, and then please say the next one. 8, 6, x to the power of 6, and then 2, 2. Very good. 8 to the power of, 8, 5, and then x to the power of 5, and then 2, 3, plus dot, 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 dot. Do you understand? But you don't have to expand this one because they just ask you to find the coefficient of x to the power of 5, right? So you can select the term which has x the power of 5. So from here, if I were you, 8, and then we are going to choose 5 of x, right? 5 of x, yes, combination 5. Then x to the power of 5, then follows by 2 to the power of 3. And then students, by using your calculator, please calculate this value. 56, thank you. 56 times x cubed, no, x to the power of 5 times 2 cubed, which is 8. So coefficient of x to the power of 5 means, guys, number which is multiplied in front of x. Do you understand? So you need to calculate 56 times 8, x to the power of 5. What is this?
448.
448. Therefore, this is the coefficient of x to the power of 5. Students, do you understand? Please tell me if you don't understand. I'm going to show you one more time. Is it okay? Okay. Even it's irritating. The sound is irritating. Thank you. Okay, students, I'm going to give you 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Please figure out among solution 1, 2, 3, which one is correct. What do you think? Which one is correct? In this case, it's easier to focus on the wrong one, okay? Firstly, the second one. Please look at the second one. Do you think it works or not? No, because 2x, there should be a bracket. Thank you. There should be a bracket. Since bracket was omitted, it should be originally 2 to the power of 4, which is 16, x to the power of 4. But since they omit the bracket, it's the wrong answer. Question, the solution 3, what do you think? Do you think this is correct or not?
No.
No, because guys, only 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, there's no coefficient. Do you understand? Okay. Okay, guys, I am going to skip this question because it's just to ask you whether you can use your calculator or not, okay? And then A1, Isaac. A2, Jason. B1, Angus. B2, Eden. And after that, C1, Victoria. C2, Serena. B1, Bianca. B2, Savannah. After that, Apple. 4 students class.
Oh, I think so. We're not doing into 6 power.
You should bring your calculator.
Oh.
Or of course, you can use Pascal's triangle. Guys, you can use Pascal's triangle or use your calculator. The students, please solve these questions by yourself. I know that the formula is gonna be given, but I want you to try to remember because it's just very logical, right? If you observe the pattern, it's not difficult to remember it. But in case you don't remember the formula, write it down here. Hayden, there is a reason that your hand is bigger than your mouth.
You know, if you had a kid, would be perfect.
How can you solve mathematics questions in this position, Hayden? I really don't understand.
No, talking is good. You already wrote the answers down. The formula is answer. Oh, where? I'll just write down one more time. Fine.
But you're doing very good, and then just calculate it.
I messed up?
No, you didn't mess up, except this one. This one, B, it's not B, it's -1, right? Yeah. Okay, very good, and then calculate these values. You're doing very good.
It's 3 x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3 wait, minus, there's a minus there, 3. Yes, and without calculator.
How do I calculate again?
And then,
How do I calculate?
No.
It's just-
Wait for a sec, wait for a sec.
no, it's the in. Oh, yeah, you're not wrong. You're correct.
1, 5, 10, 5.
Hold on, I think we need to-
What the heck is that? What's the 3x squared minus 3x squared, bro?
5 times 1.
What's the minus 3x squared?
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, without brackets.
What's it again? Oh.
No, yes, very good.
No.
Yes, Sanders, you're doing really good. Where is square, by the way? Where is square? -1 square. No. -1 square and this must be bad, yes. So therefore, yes,
I'm gonna sneeze.
very good.
That is correct.
Yes, very good, Jason. Okay, please go back.
Okay, that's the.
Okay, Savannah, yes, Savannah, Bianca. And I forgot, Serena, please come forward. Victoria, please wait a bit.
Oh.
Okay, Isaac, please go back to your seat.
Oh.
Thank you so much. Victoria, please come forward, C1. Is there any students who is going to Finland? Could be you, and then. Okay. Italy.
Do you know something? Where we go at midnight? Today. I'm going to be half asleep.
I mean, I feel like you're gonna be really grumpy because you need to endure a severe jet lag.
Well, I got used to getting wake up after dinner time and went to go to.
Well, but it did make sense. No, the some symptom of jet lag is like you don't have appetite. You can feel always tired and you cannot sleep. So you're gonna be really grumpy. And South Korea? No. Japan? No. You are going to Japan.
But how do you?
Japan, which is in Japan? Don't remember. Tokyo, Osaka, Kyoto,
Probably Tokyo.
Tokyo probably. Because South Korea this time the location.
It should be last year. Yeah.
Last year it was Seoul.
Yeah.
It's Seoul and the other province as well. I remember the.
Gyeongju.
Yeah.
Here's fine.
I'd rather go to Jeju. Yeah.
Really?
So they had to. Yeah, sure.
Students, please check your answer comparing with your classmates. And Isa, let's solve any one together, okay?
Anyway, ignoring that.
Because I left Korea like 10 years ago. Okay, Isa, students, I just wonder if you remember the coefficient by using Pascal.
Yeah.
One,
1, 4,
four,
7,
six,
4, 1.
one, okay, so please write down one and always this number, okay? One and then, okay, then 1
1.
and then times 1 times x to the power of q. 1 and then x squared. I start, okay? Times 1 x plus x to the power of 4.
I'll make estimates.
Sorry, I mixed things. The answer should be x to the power of 4 plus 6x, no, 4x cubed plus 6x squared plus 4x plus 3 plus
Hey, thank you. Give me the ear.
What do you think of the candidate?
I want this one. Okay,
So you know this, you know this, right? Yeah, no, this guy is the initial. In the beginning, he is 6.
Victoria, Victoria. Negative x squared is gonna be positive. Negative x to the power. If the index is even, it's gonna be positive. Do you understand? Then 32
And I have my
minus 5x.
Let me see all your mistakes. You got 86.
Yeah.
Oh, and you did it times. So let's say this one is A, right? So A equals to,
How you got it?
and B equals negative
Yeah,
x, you understand? When it comes to like zero, but you didn't write A except the first term, then 2 to the power of
I got so many stupid
2
mistakes.
to the power of 3. power of 2. 2. Do you understand why? There,
Okay.
32. And then 16 times 5, which is 18. And then 10 times 8, right?
Look at this.
X squared. 10 times 4.
Oh, no, I did something even worse.
I can close the row by row.
But this Yeah, I know, but I need to.
That's minus because if you please push the X button of the marker box. Okay, students, guys. Angus,
Sorry.
okay, guys, when it comes to question number 3A, 3A1, coefficient of y cubed, then students, here, what is n? What is n? 4. And what is power of y? 3. Do you understand? Times y to the power of 3 times 2, 1. Students, do you understand this one or not?
Yeah,
Okay, so
equals to 8y.
yeah, 8y cubed. Therefore, you should write down 8 only because they ask you to find the coefficient. So only the number. Only the number. Question number 2, guys. Question number 2 again. So what is n? N
7.
7 and y to the power of 4. Therefore, here
4.
4 y to the power of 4, and then the other one is 3, right? How many 3's? How many 3's? 3. Do you understand? Because you need to add them up to make this one. Okay, therefore, please, by using your calculator, figure out 7/4 times 27 y to the power of 4. Please give me this value, students. 35 times 27. $945. Thank you. This is the answer. Students, please tell me you understand. Okay, okay. 3B1, 3B1, B6, B6. So what is the binomial coefficient? 7 and 6 and b to the power of 6. The other one is, do not forget 2 and 1. And then to find the coefficient of this one, you should calculate these two. Do you understand? Okay. Let's move to the next question, students. Question number 4A1. 4A1. Hayden.
Oh, like this.
No. Just be quiet. Okay, 4A1. Okay, y cubed, students. So what is n? Guys, n and r. What is n from this question? 4. What is r? 3. And then, okay, please look at the screen. Look at the screen. If I were you, do not forget bracket. 3y cubed. Understand? And the other term is 2. So 2, 1 to make it 4 after adding up. Do you understand? And then for 3 cubed, y cubed, 2. Since they ask you to find the coefficient of y cubed, you need to multiply out 4, 3, 27, and then 2.
8 times 27.
8 times 27. Thank you so much. What's the value? 216. Thank you so much. Guys, understand? Okay. This one again. What is n? 7. And then 4. Since y to the power of 4. And then students, please consider this one as 1 plus negative 2y. Understand? So negative 2y to the power of 4 times 1 to the power of 3. Do you understand? Since 1 cube is 1, so that you can just ignore it. Then 7, 4, negative number even power, it's gonna be positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. So 2 to the power of 4 and y 4. And you can calculate this one. Okay?
Good. But, Wait, so I need to calculate this part and the y that's not included. So the y is.
Coefficient means
Right.
number multiplied in front of the electric term. Five forty x cubed. What is the coefficient of x cubed? 540. Only the number is the coefficient. Do you understand, Angus?
Alright.
Okay, students, let's solve question number 9. Question number 9. Okay, Matthew, please read this question, please. 9.
Extensional 5 plus 3y to the power 2 to the power 3 in ascending power of y.
Ascending means the power should be increased or decreased. Increased, increasing power, understand? So since it looks difficult or not, yeah, let's just write down 6 and 0 y to the power of, no, 6 and then 3y squared to the power of 0. Understand? It's gonna be 1 plus. What is the next term? 6, 1, y to the power of 5, 3y square, 1 plus 6, 2. Students, please complete this one by yourself. Guys, please complete by yourself while I am writing down here.
So I want to ask something.
No, wait a second.
Oh, wait, no, never mind, I can see it. We can see.
I am confusing if I try to answer your question, Angus.
Sorry.
Eden, are you listening or not?
Yes.
Okay. The students, firstly, this value is, what is this value? What's this value? 1. And the power of y is 6 here. Do you understand? Okay, let's just focus on the power of it. This one is y to the power of 5, and this one is y 2. So that's combining together y to the power of 7. Thank you so much. Students, do you understand? So is it ascending order or descending order? Ascending order. And then they ask you to find first 4 terms in ascending order. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4 terms that they ask us to find it. Okay. Therefore, okay. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 6, 0. What is 6, 0? The value. 1. Thank you. And then this one is 1. So only y to the power of 6 left plus. What is 6, 1? 6. And there is 3 here. What's the coefficient, students? 18. Thank you. 18 times y to the power of What is the power? 7. Thank you. Plus. What is 6, 2? 15. Thank you. Times y to the power of 4 times 3 square, which is 9 times, guys, y square and then square. What is it? Y to the power of 4. Very good. So 15 times 9, which is 1. Yeah, 135 y to the power of 8. Thank you. Plus 6, 3. What is 6, 3, students? 20 times y cubed times 3 cube, which is 27 times, guys, y square and then cube. What is the power here? 6. Thank you so much. So multiply out these two numbers, make 540, and then y to the power of 9. This is the answer. Do you understand? B, question B. X plus 2 over x to the power of 4, students. So if I were you, I'm going to separate it. So for example, one of the laws of indices, a over b to the power of n equals a to the power of n over b to the power of n. Therefore, we can rewrite this one as x plus 2 to the power of 4 over x to the power of 4. Do you understand? So if I were you, I am going to separate x to the power of 4 in the denominator to the front, which means 1 over x to the power of 4 times x plus 2 to the power of 4. Do you understand? Can you see they are the same? Okay, then you can expand this one, right? So 1 over x to the power of 4 times. Okay, please tell me the coefficient. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Then distribute x to the power of 4, x cubed, and then 2. What is the next one? 6 times x square, 2 square, plus 4 times x times 2 cube, plus 2 to the power of 4. Can you hear this woo sound?
Yeah, it's coming from the back.
Ah, okay, I see. Okay, students, therefore, I'm going to write down here. So 1 over x to the power of 4, x4 plus, please calculate this number and tell me. 8x cubed plus, and then what is the next one? 24x squared plus, and then students, 32x plus 16. Do you understand? Therefore, let's distribute 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. What is the first term, students? 1, thank you, plus 8 over x plus 24 over x squared. Can you see that or not? Do you want me to explain it more detailed or it's okay? Okay, 32 over x. What is power here? Students, answer me. Q plus 16 over x to the power of 4. Okay, guys, I'm gonna give you some time to solve the question number 12 now. Please solve this question by yourself.